Good morning, students. So, last class we have done the reading comprehension of the unit number 3, washing clothes with my mom. So, now we are going to explain this chapter. I was raised in a family of 14 people in a home with only one bathroom. So, you can see this boy. So, he was born in a family with 14 people. How many people? 14 people in a home. And they were having only one bathroom. Needless to say, scheduling bath time in my home was more than a simple task. When I was 7 years old, I learned the only way to get sufficient bath time was to wake up before my siblings. So they were not having much time for the bathroom. But what the boy was doing when he was 7 years old, he learned to wake up early before the siblings were woke up. Okay. My mother gave me an old wind up clock so I could wake up early. So by the clock he was wake up early. Who gave that? The mother gave him. The first morning I used the alarm. I woke up at 5:30, walked downstairs as quietly as possible and had a bath. While I bathed, I heard Dad stirring in the bedroom, which was adjacent to the bathroom. After I completed my bath, I was going back upstairs when I heard a buzzing in the basement. So the mother gave him a old wind up clock, and in the first morning he used alarm. What he was using? He used to wake up by the alarm. At what time he woke up? He woke up at 5:30. After woke up, he walked towards downstairs slowly and silently, because if the sound comes, other people also used to get up, so he doesn't want to get up. Okay, so he quietly moved towards downstairs and had a bath. After completing the bath, he heard a sound that stirring in the bathroom. After I completed the bath, I was going back upstairs. He was going again back towards upstairs. And he heard the buzzing in the basement. So the meaning of adjacent is next to something. And the basement is a room in a building below the ground level, is called a basement. Okay. I tiptoed to the basement landing and looked around the corner of the stairs. Mom was bent over our dryer, pulling clothes out and setting them on a table. She was singing. Without turning around, she said, "What are you doing?" I heard buzzing. I said, "What are you doing?" So here, students, I tiptoed to the basement landing and looked around the corner of the stairs. So when the boy was going to upstairs, he heard a sound from the basement, right? So he went there and he looked around the corner of the stairs. So there mom was bent over and she was pulling the clothes from the dryer and she was placing to the table. She was singing. Who was singing here? Mother was singing. Without turning back only, she asked his son, that is the boy you can see here, "What are you doing?" So the boy replied that, "I heard a buzzing," I said. Again he asked his mother, "What are you doing?" So mother replied that, "Washing clothes." She replied. So mother replied she was washing clothes. And the boy asked, "This early? So this early you're washing your clothes? Who is asking that? The boy is asking. 4 days a week, she replied. So 4 days a week, she replied. 4 days a week means in a week, 4 days she will be washing the clothes. Okay. Mom explained she woke up at 4 o'clock every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to wash clothes. She explained it was necessary to keep it clean clothes. So mom was explained that she will be woke up at 4 o'clock. At what time she'll be waking up? She'll be waking up at 4 o'clock. When? So 4 days in a week means that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Only she'll be waking up at 4 o'clock. Okay. So she explained it was necessary to keep us in clean clothes. That's up to, I said. I know he does paperwork while I do laundry. It's the only time the house is quiet enough to concentrate. So even the dad was also waked up, right? So I know he does the paperwork while I do laundry. It's the only time the house is quiet to enough concentrate. So the boy asked dad to also. Even the dad has wake up at 4 o'clock, right? So the mom replied, yes, this is the time where the house is very quiet, where we can concentrate with our work. Why were you singing? I asked. So he's asking his mother, why are you singing? I might as well enjoy my work, no use being upset. So here mother replied is, when I'll be doing my work, I'll be enjoying my work. So there is no use of being upset. Mom still used an old wringer washer, but she was absolutely thrilled that she and dad had scrapped together enough money to get a clothes dryer. She wouldn't have to hang clothes outside during winter anymore. So here you can see mom was using the old wringer washer only, but she was absolutely thrilled with that machine that she and dad had scrapped together. Scrapped together means saved at a little time. So they were saved the money for bringing the wringer washer. And to get a clothes dryer, she wouldn't have to hang clothes outside during winter anymore. So because they were having the dryer machine, so they were not placing the clothes outside during winter anymore. It was quite an old-fashioned dryer, not like the modern ones we have today. And the lint filter had to be cleaned after every load. So here they were having the old wringer washer only, the dryer, right? So now the reason the modern ones they were not having, they were having the old one only. For that old one and the lint filter they have to clean after every load. So after every load they need to clean the lint filter. Lint filter means lint filter means the part in a washing machine. Okay. So after every load, each and every load, they have to clean a lint filter. So the boy asked, can I help? I asked.